Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Travis, a talented African-American landscaper who's making waves in Central Texas. Travis is a true master of his craft with an incredible green thumb and a passion for creating beautiful landscapes. Did you know that Travis has his own YouTube and Facebook channels where he shares his amazing landscaping tips and tricks with the world? He's been featured on numerous TV shows, and his work has been praised by homeowners all over the region. Travis's story is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a love for what you do. So, if you're looking to transform your own backyard into a stunning oasis, be sure to check out Travis's channels and see how he can help you achieve your landscaping dreams. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to follow Travis's channels and share his story with your friends. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep growing.